What's up, everyone? It's me, Adam Prime, and I'm back with another Kamen Rider Geats Raise Buckle review. Yep, got a lot of raise buckles to talk about as of late, and if you've been keeping up with the 12 days of Rider reviews, it's been a good chunk of them, honestly, because I just got a bunch of raise buckles in, so I need to talk about them. And here we have SG, or Candy Toy Set 3, and or if you want to go by what the box calls them, Shokogen, Raise Buckle 3, which comes with 4 new buckles, and if you look on the back, you can see all 4 of them are here, and this is all the full set, which you do get a repeat of Drill. Luckily, no propeller to go along with it, but we also get a Forze driver, a Ghost driver, and a Drive driver. Overall, these get you pretty much the standard packaging, him with the armed buckle, and yeah, there's it for that one. You get Forze, stuff on the side, stuff up there, there you go, and there you go. Drives there, just the same old on each box, nothing really to write home about. Then you got Ghost. So, let's get these buckles on opened up, and we'll take a look at them in the Desire Driver. And here are all the buckles opened up, and we'll get the kind of boring one out of the way. These are both the drills. They are both number 12. This one's the candy toy because it has the C, and there's no real differences. Again, this one's just might be a little bit stiffer, but that might be because it's new. That's about it. Nothing else really to write home about. And if you use it in the driver, I don't know why it doesn't want to do this. And there you go. So, if you want to see what else the drill buckle can do, go check out the DX set that this came out in to see the rest of the sounds, because it does have stuff in like the Magnum Shooter 40X, and this isn't and if you decide to just pick this one up instead, it's still an easy way to get drill. So, let's get to the rider buckles in this set. We start off with Forze, which has all the details the Forze driver needs. Obviously, they're a little bit etched in, which is really nice. You got rocket, launcher, oh my god, drill, and radar. Got the switch, got Forze in the middle, got the nice white and orange. Yeah. So, let's slide it in. Get a nice white LED. What's this Forze is a little weird. Now let's try it with O's. Now let's try it with Wizard. God, fumbling. And there's that. And let's bring in the boost buckle. Alright. And that's the Forze buckle. Let's move on to the drive driver, which has the nice R. The drive R. A lot of etched in detail, much like the others. Overall, really nice. I like the red metallic plastic. It is number 33, which did I show Forze's? Because Forze is number 36. Get that. QR code. You can spin it. So, let's slide it right into the driver. I love Drive's jingle. Love it so much. I have such a bias towards Drive, mostly because it was the first driver I ever got. So, let's try it with Forza. Let's try it with double. And there's that one. Let's do one more rider buckle. Let's do thighs, because why not? I'm realizing they're the inverse color scheme. I didn't do that on purpose, but yeah, they're inverted. Like, their color scheme for this part is inverted. That's cool. And there's that.
Fives, drive, victory.
Now let's use it with the boost buckle, which makes sense for drive. And there we go. Now let's go to last, but certainly not least, Ghost, which I was never quite sure what Ghost Driver was trying to do. Was it supposed to be like a sheet ghost thing? Because I know this was supposed to be like a face, and you really can't tell from the sticker the face underneath. But you do have the Ore icon in there. Got the little lever that gets a little cut off, and yeah, not as much detailing in this one, but that's fine. Got the nice orange and black Halloween-like color scheme. So, let's get it right in the driver. Say what you want about Ghost, the jingles are fun. Like, that's something, like, I don't care what your opinion on Ghost is. I do like the jingles. They're fun. It's not my favorite, but it's fun.
Ghost strike.
So, let's do it with drive. Yep.
Fight. Drive. Ghost. Victory.
And there's that. So, let's go on to Forza. Now let's try it with Xaid.
Fight!
There you go. Let's try it with one last rider buckle. Now let's try it with one last buckle. The sword driver, the Seiken sword driver.
Seiken Sword Driver.
Seiken. Which they did have a crossover. Also, they have the same writer, so that's probably why they had a crossover. So, let's use boost and call it a video. There we go. And there we go.
Boost, Ghost, Victory. Boost time. Boost, Ghost, Grand Victory.
And that's pretty much it. Overall, I think this is a good set of buckles. It gives you some really neat rider buckles with a ton of good sounds. And we also get drill. So if you decide not to pick up the DX set, you can still get a drill, which is nice. And overall, I think this is a good set, especially, like I said, you didn't get a DX one, and you like any of these riders. In my opinion, my favorite of the set is Drive, but I do have a huge Drive bias. And honestly, I do think it looks really good. I love the red and darker colors, and I love the Drive sounds. But overall, I think these are all really good buckles, and I can recommend them all. And which is your favorite of the buckles this set? So tell me that down in the comments. And until whatever, thank you so much for watching. And until whatever I do next, I'm kind of all over the place. And until whatever I do next, bye.